Jesus! Jesus! Ah!
Hey.
Ah!
Huh?
Jesus!
Are you okay?
Ah!
Hey.
Help!
Hey. What is it?
My stomach is on fire!
Calm down.
It's on fire! Oh! Hey.
What did you eat? What?
Poison! They poisoned my food.
What?
Oh, poison! Oh!
Poison from where? How? What are you talking about?
I saw it. I saw her when she was putting it, but I thought it was salt.
You saw who? You saw what? When?
Ah! Ah!
Hey!
Oh!
Sorry. Just hold me, take this.
I saw her. She poisoned my food, but I
saw who? When? What are you saying?
I saw it. I mean, I saw her putting it, but I thought it was salt.
Slow down. Just slow down.
Ah!
It's okay. Just breathe.
She, your jealous wife, poisoned my food. You want to kill me and my unborn baby? You want to do that? Ah! I feel like I'm missing.
Water.
Oh! Oh! Ah! Oh! Oh!
Did you do it?
Are you serious? Are you honestly asking me that question? You believe her? Or did you believe her? Did you just ask me that question? You were here. I served everyone from the same dish that's still on this table. You made me eat the remnant of that out split just to prove my innocence suddenly. You are no longer the man I married.
Vomited the poison finally. How? No weapon fashioned or formed against me shall prosper. I am serving a living God indeed. Oh. Jesus, you love me too much, yo. Too much, your excess love. Ow.
Comfort. Yes. I have to leave. I can no longer stay here. You can see how everything has turned out to be.
Ma, I can't stay here alone. She will kill me. I can't stay here.
She will not kill you, please. If you leave, my husband will suffer. Please, stay. You know he's the one that brought you here. Okay, I left my purse upstairs on the table. Please help me get it.
Thank you.
is this?
I can't stay here. I can't stay here. Please, let me go with you.
Please, my husband will suffer if you... Please.
I can't stay here alone. Please, let me go with you. Please, beg you. Please. Please, let me go with you. Please, let me go with you. Please.
How's your day?
Fine.
I
thank you.
missed you. Did you miss me?
Where's Comfort? I need help with a few things. What?
They are gone.
Gone. What? Where? They? Who are they?
Who else but your witch of a wife? She left with Comfort earlier today. I serve a living God, and he has fought my battle.
What? She left my house?
Do I have water in my mouth? She picked her miserable belongings and left us. Isn't that good? Good riddance to bad rubbish. And I think we should be fine. Good riddance to bad rubbish.
My goodness.
Here. Take.
What is this for?
Look at it now. Take a look first. That is the list of what I need to start up a business. Cosmetic business to be precise. Just 15 million naira.
15 million? You and I never talked about this before.
But we're talking about it now. See, the truth is, I am tired of staying in this house doing nothing and taking this small change you give to me when you want to. I need to start up my own business.
Carol, your condition right now is very delicate. You can't possibly be getting into anything stressful.
What condition are you talking about? Did I tell you that I'm sick? Please, I'm perfectly fine. I have told you times without number. Give me the business Juliet abandoned and left this house. No, you will not. Give me money to start up my own business. Mba. What kind of a man are you?
Okay, I don't have 15 million. That's fine now. I don't have.
You must have it, oh. You must have that 15 million naira. What are you talking about? If it is Juliet now, you write check fast. You're telling me you don't have money. See, if you don't give me this money I'm asking you of, I will go out there and meet men that will give me the money and I can give them my baby.
You're threatening me.
Shabeti.
What, you want to trade with my child?
What child? Your child, my fruit. See, if you don't cooperate with me, you will not just like me. Oh. Ah.
You know what? Stop ranting and just get out of my face. Get off my face! Evil woman.
It is you, your mama, your papa, your entire family now be evil. You are evil. Who you call evil?
Did you just insult my mother?
You heard me.
Did you just insult my mother?
You heard me.
Did you just...
You want beat me? Hey, you want beat me? You want me? You want me to lose this baby?
Did you just call me?
Beat me! Oh, did he beat me? Ah! Beat me, make I lose this baby. No. Make I just push am for you now. Beat me! Are you looking? You don't want to beat me again? Beat me now! Beat me! If I want to beat me, give me ordinary 50 million. You will not. But you will not bring money. You want to beat me again? I am very ready for you. Beat me. You not try me this. I am not Juliet, though. I am not Ice Block. Don't try me for this house. You must give me that money whether you like it or not. It's good you're here. I need you to take me to the hospital tomorrow. I need to start my antenatal. My baby is growing every day.
All right, as much as that is not a bad thing to do, I'll be here tomorrow. I'll be traveling to England tomorrow.
Eh?
Yes, I'll be away on a short vacation for 2 weeks. So I'm hoping that you take care of this place while I'm away and not burn it down.
I don't understand you. You are traveling to America tomorrow and you're just telling me now.
Caroline, I'm traveling to England now, London to be precise, not America. And if I had told you last week, what would you have done differently?
Am I not good enough? Am I not good enough to travel with you to the England? Am I not? Eh?
I transferred some money to you. I'm sure you got the alert this morning. I'm hoping that that is enough to take care of your needs while I'm not here.
Your mother said it. And she's correct, 100%. Juliet bewitched you. Ever since she left this house, you have become like a stray dog. You have never sat down for once, even if for a minute, with the woman that is carrying your child. Now you want to run off to London. Agalacha must come back. Do you understand? And I want you to understand that I must have this baby of mine in that London, whether that your witch of a wife likes it or not. If you like, when you get there, you make the arrangements. If you like, don't. You know me now. I know what to do. I know exactly what to do. In Nigerian land. Also, need to know you. Nonsense.
Please, Chioma, I beg you with everything you hold so dear. Audley must never find out where I am. Please, I don't ever want to see him again. I don't want to have anything to do with him. Just don't tell him who I am, please. All right? All right, I'll talk to you later. Bye.
Seriously?
Are you serious?
My dear, the next party. Now naked, I don't naked.
Calm down now. What's happened? My in-law, welcome. Welcome. In-law.
Did you just call me?
Yes, now my in-law.
Am I really your in-law?
You're my friend's husband. That makes you my very good in-law.
Really? You know, on this trip, I ran into someone who told me a lot about you. How you schemed for this prostitute here to come into my home.
Me? No. It's not possible now.
How you planned to take everything that my wife and I had worked so hard for when the both of you eliminate us.
No, now. Ejiro cannot tell you that kind of lie.
Oh, so you know who told me? Without mentioning her name, you know who told me? See how shaken you are, you know why? Because the guilty are afraid. You know, right now I could get both of you arrested for this fraud and conspiracy, but I'm not going to waste my time on two riffraffs like both of you. I'm going to go upstairs, and by the time I come back here, I want the both of you out of my house in 10 minutes.
Baby, how fast?
10 minutes. Out of my house.
Baby, please don't do this. I still love you. This baby is yours, and...
You can ship this child to another man like you have constantly threatened to do.
It wasn't... I never meant it, Miko. The baby is yours.
Carol, if I come downstairs again and I find you and this idiot here, I will have the both of you arrested.
Hey!
Get out of my house.
Oh, come see
This minute.
Okay. Oh, come see Joe.
Out!
See you, as big as you are, that is how big your foolishness is. So what we discussed secretly, that is what you went to do Amibo with.
Hey, shut up. Shut down your mouth. Shut down your shameless man. See this lazy bamboo. You cannot even work hard and collect good money for me to open shop in Idumota. You're here making...
Idumota kill you. Money kill you there. Are you not stupid? So the money I made, I should give it to you. What is wrong with your attitude? What is wrong with your attitude?
Shut it.
Make money with your own.
I don't have time. I don't have time then, unfortunately for you.
You never finish. This matter never finished.
Well, I don't have time for rotten tomato like you.
Who be rotten tomato? Where you want rush go? You never help me pack my things.
I want to go home.
Which home? You get home? You don't help me pack my things.
No, it's not possible.
Wait.
Carry your loads for your head. That's all. You know, have fun. Bye. Yes.
God will punish you.
Hello, Chioma. Chioma, please, I am begging you, stop this. Why? Why are you doing this to me? I begged you. You promised me. You promised to be in this with me. You promised to help me recover and get back on my feet and move on with my life. Chioma, please, I don't want to see him. The doctor said I don't need to stress myself anymore. Why are you doing this to me? Do you want me to die? No. I am not going to listen to you. Just don't tell Odili where I am. That's it. I won't listen to you, Chioma. I won't. Don't tell him where I am. Thank you.
Odili is desperate to see you.
Please.
There's something going on,
Please,
Julie.
Chioma, do not get on my nerves. How do you expect me to go back to live with that thing? That dredge of a human? After all the humiliation, the embarrassment, the disgrace. Is that how you forget? What is wrong with you? Look, I don't want to hear anything that has to do with Odili or whoever. Simple.
Carol is no longer in the house.
So?
Odili threw her out.
What happened?
Honestly, I have no idea. Honestly, I don't know. But I heard they were partying in the house. Carol and your friend were partying in the house when Odili came in and threw them out. Julie, I also heard that your so-called friend, Biola, has been behind this whole plot.
Biola? How?
Odili will tell you that when you see him. Julie, I have been with you every step of the way. I cannot deceive you. Your husband is genuinely repentant. And you have to see him. Please.
Time heals all wounds.
Yes. Time, they say, heals all wounds. But the scars will always remain. This scar will remain. Yeah, I know. But the scars never hurt anymore. And we rarely remember how we got them. Please.
I've come to ask you to please find it in your heart to forgive me. I'm sorry. Believe me, I know how you feel. I'm ashamed of myself, Juliet. But I've come here hoping that the love will be uttered, the times we've spent together will count for something. I've come here hoping that you find it in your heart, because I know you have a good heart, to forgive me. I've come here to ask that you find it in your heart to forgive this man who does not know how to live without you anymore. Juliet, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I saw what you went through. Firsthand, I saw you put yourself through very difficult situations, exposed yourself to danger just because you wanted to give me a child. I'm sorry. Juliet, all this time, I have been responsible for our childlessness. Yes. I ran into my gynecologist friend, the one that I told you, lives in London, and series of tests were conducted on me, and the results showed that I have a medical condition that would not necessarily allow me at a time like this to father a child. Juliet, I panicked. I panicked because I want to be a father. I honestly want to have a child of my own. But he told me that I'll be fine. That I need a minor surgery, and after that, I'll be fine. But I don't want to be fine without you. Sweetheart, I want to be fine with you. Please, forgive me.
Wait, so, what about Carol? What about her pregnancy?
It's not mine. She admitted to it before she left.
Okay.
Yeah.
What about Irene, the lady you said got pregnant for you when we were back in school before we started dating? What about her?
That pregnancy isn't mine either. It wasn't mine. Because the test also showed that I have been this way from birth. That there's no way I could have been able to father a child with anyone unless it is corrected through a proper surgery.
So, for 7 years. For 7 years. I thought it was my fault. Okay. This is a long, bad dream. I don't even know where to start.
It's a bad dream that could end well with
You
you.
know where to start.
Please forgive me.
7, at least 7 years.
Please forgive me. Please forgive me.
Wait.
Please.
It's not my fault.
No, it's not. It's not your fault, baby. It's not your fault.
Almost
Never
died.
been your fault. I know. I am sorry. Please. Please.
So, are you going to be okay? It is you're going to be okay.
Yeah, look, I don't know if I believe whatever the doctors have said, but I believe that if you travel with me and be by my side for this surgery, I will be fine. That's how much faith I have in our love, baby.
Finally realizing, yes, I know it is true. Ain't no one ever do me like you. I know people, somebody who could treat me like you. Girl, I want that. Ooh. Baby, can't you see I'm all about you? Get down on my knees, sorry for waiting I do. I can't walk, can't talk, can't breathe. I'm losing my cool cause I'm missing you.
Hey girl, I go die if you know they with me. Not true, say no one can fill your space. Hey girl, I go by if you know stay with me. Hey whoa, no one can fill your space. Hey girl, I go die if you know they with me. Not true, say no one can fill your space. Hey girl, I go by if you know stay with me. Hey whoa, no one can fill your space. Affectional girl, you best in my world, my personal babe. I want you to take your place. You're out that I need, you're the reason I exist. Oh, baby, wish I could bring back the days that you were mine. I won't bring back the days when we did time. Make we bring back those days that we were one. Spend the whole night, make we try, girl. Hey girl, I go die if you know they with me. Not true, say no one can fill your space. Hey girl, I go by if you know stay with me. Hey whoa, no one can fill your space. Hey girl, I go die if you know they with me. Not true, say no one can fill your space. Hey girl, I go by if you know stay with me. Hey whoa, no one can fill your space.
Ain't nobody's ever gonna do me like you. Ain't nobody's ever gonna treat me like you. Got nobody's ever gonna love me like you. Come back to me, oh baby, please. Oh, baby. Oh, come back, oh baby, please.
Hey girl, I go die if you know they with me. Not true, say no one can fill your space. Hey girl, I go by if you know stay with me. Hey whoa, no one can fill your space. Hey girl, I go die if you know they with me. Not true, say no one can fill your space. Hey girl, I go by if you know stay with me. Hey whoa, no one can fill your space. Hey girl, I be missing you. I miss you. I miss you. Come back to me. Hey girl, I be missing you, my baby. And I cannot live without you. Hey girl, I be missing you, no more.